So in the last episode of Road to Oblivion, we sold our entire bank minus Ring of Suffering to get the Twisted Bow. And Twisted Bow was great for the start of a rebuild, and I was very looking forward to just camping a ton of Zora, and that's what this video is really about. We camped a lot of Zora, like a lot of Zora in this video. So all the footage you're seeing right now is footage from before PVM Bingo and before WoW Classic. So this is all pretty old footage, but there's a good amount of loot here. There's a good amount of like progress here, so I didn't want to just like completely not put it up there. So here is the initial week or weekish after me getting T-Bow. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do enjoy the video, remember to give it a like, subscribe for more content for the channel. I should be back to regular videos, so you should see two to three videos a week now. Back to regular progress videos with this, all that fun stuff. Maybe an Iron Man at some point, who knows. But I will be back to doing that now that we're back to normal. So hope you guys enjoy, and thank you very much for watching in advance. But one thing I wanted to do starting off with this season is update the kill count of everything, because that's what we started off the actual series with. So Alchemical Hydra will be something that I plan on focusing on as well with this T-Bow, because I didn't kill any of it and it's super nice with a T-Bow. Barrows won't be really camping a whole lot. None of these really got updated a whole lot. Zilliana I plan on camping a lot too, because with the T-Bow it's very nice to do. I might do some corp with people, but not really a huge goal for me. Again, with Slayer will come Dagonoth Kings as well, and Cerberus, which I skipped over. Both of those will be coming with training Slayer and doing Alchemical Hydra, so that's going to be fun. Sire I probably won't do. I might try to finish it just for like completionist sake, but yeah, not a huge component for me. Fight Caves, probably. The Gauntlet I actually want to camp, because Gauntlet, the pet is super nice. The Young Lift is so nice. It's so good to look at. Grador, no. What else is we have? This is obviously updated. Obviously completed Zuck on 1KC, so don't need to worry about it anymore. Call Fight Queen, maybe to camp for the pet or the jar. I kind of like the jar, to be honest, and I don't want to buy it. KBD, probably not. Kraken will come with Training Slayer. Let's really go to the one that really matters. So let's go to Zora. So we are now at 1780 Zora KC, and this will be going up quite a bit with me obviously completing the season 1 and getting a T-Bow. So this will be going up quite a bit. Volcano I'll probably do a little bit of, because, well, I have it now. And then Raids is a huge jump as well from the very first episode. 305 KC, and I've still yet to have any Theater of Blood completions. I've seen Verzik Phase 3, and that was like on the one Theater of Blood I did. I just haven't gone back and completed it. But that collection log is actually looking pretty nice. 21 Torn Prayer Scrolls, which I believe I still have. I don't think I sold them off. I think I still have those. I'm collecting them. But the Dragon Claws drop table, we've hit all the expensive stuff except for the we haven't hit the Ancestral Hat, but we hit all the other ones. Haven't seen Arcane yet, haven't seen the Dins, haven't seen the Dragon Hunted Crossbow or any mega rares. So those are the things I'm still missing from there, alongside the pet. Clues, I'll eventually go back for those. Minigames, no, and other, no. So that's where we're sitting at right now. This is the champion. Just, you see this guy walk up to Zora and you just quake in fear, like, good lord, this guy knows exactly what he's doing. Glory and everything. God, this guy's Chad. So we're gonna be starting off with doing some Zora, and I really want to hit like some of the untradables. I really want to hit like a mutagen or a pet is what I really want to get out of this rebuild, but we shall see. Let's get onto it. All right, so this is gonna be the first like kind of major upgrade of the rebuild. I'm gonna go ahead and sell off the Armadale helmet, because it's kind of okay. You're just not gonna sell for the price, are you? Because the Armadale helmet really isn't like, it's not a huge damage increase over the Gothic Coif. It doesn't offer any strength or like damage bonus or anything. It just offers a slightly more accuracy. I think it's like +3 accuracy over the Coif. However, the Anguish is my best friend, because the oh my gosh, what are you doing, Surgeon? Pick on the wrong one. There you go. Okay, because the Anguish, what the Anguish does is it actually gives us +5 range strength, which is like one of the very few, I think it's the only piece of gear that actually gives us range strength besides a weapon. So this combination is much better than using like an Armadale helmet and a Glory or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell the Armadale helmet to buy the Anguish, and then I'll buy back the Armadale helmet at a later date. But that is the first major upgrade. We now have the Anguish. Let me put on all my gear. To the naked eye, it looks like we downgraded, but to the close inspector eye, this is a pretty nice upgrade. I'm pretty okay with this. A first notable drop from Zora so far this rebuild, and it's a Serpentine Visage, just a little over 3 mil on KC 1991. Almost the year I was born. Very close though. Very close. I'm old. Shit, I'm old. All right, 3.1 mil drop. Let's bank, let's resupply, and let's head back out there. And with that is KC 2000 at Zora. I think that's still like a little over 1,000 KC short of the drop rate for a single mutagen. So we got a little bit of a long way to go. Overall, happy with the progress. Happy with the progress here. Yeah, okay. Sure. 15 kills later, we get another Serpentine. But cool, I'll take another 3.1 mil. I mean, at this rate, if I get another one, I'm gonna like single-handedly shut down the price of this. Kill count 2006. We get another Serp Visage. That's bonkers, my dude. That's bonkers. All right, so obviously with those, like, essentially, not really, but essentially back-to-back Serp Visages, I went ahead and bought the Armadale helmet, since the Armadale helmet's like 5.2 mil or something like that, and each of those Serps are, 3.1 mil, so you left me with, like, a little bit extra money to resupply a little bit, which, at Zora, you really don't need to resupply on terms of, like, Mantas, because he drops so many. So, yeah, I just bought that Armadale helmet, which is nice for some extra accuracy, and, yeah, let's go for our drop today. Let's see if we can hit another drop today. Because, you know what? I'm a greedy SOB. Let's go. Are you serious? Third Serp Visage of the day. This is actually some bingo shit. Like, what the hell? Okay, well, why did I tell you that? Oh my god. I'm befuddled at the moment that we have 3 Serp Visages. That's just stupid. Hell yeah, brother. Clue Scroll, Elite Clue Scroll from Zora, kill count 2081. I will finish this trip, and let's go see if we can get a Mimic off of this. Alright, open up the Clue Scroll. What do we get from this? And okay, well, it's not a Mimic, but it's Master. Go do that. Alright, I'm sorry for the cancer that's on screen right now, which is all my stats that got dropped, but Elite 400, basically 20k, blaze it, because there's even herbs in there. Sweet, I will take that. What is that? Master number 35. Sweet, cool. 420k master, can't really complain with that, really. And we're back at Zora, coming in with that 2100 KC here. That triple Serp Visage that we got, like, in the last, like, 100 kills, basically, was actually insane. That was some nutty shit. Alright, I'll be back when I get, like, Clue Scroll or another drop, or you know what? Maybe I can even get like a Tans Muta or something like that. That'd be dope. Well, it ain't no Tans Muta, but it's an Elite, and seriously, whoa, okay. All I saw was Master. I did not see the 1.1 mil drop, basically, from the Black Dehydes G. That is, who wears the, why are they 1 mil? All right, cool, whatever. Let's go do that Master Clue and see if we can, hit it big like we did with the Elite. Okay, so I got a Master Clue that required me to grab BGS, so I'm actually borrowing a BGS from this guy really quick. I could obviously buy it. I could sell the TiVo and buy it, but it's just quicker if I just borrow it. So he's gonna let me borrow it. And here is the clip of me giving it back to him and, tipping him 25k for letting me do it, so I didn't have to, mess around with my finances a little bit. All right, let's get back to the Master. All right, coming in with the Master Clue, and not as lucky as the last one. 180k, basically. Still can't complain, really. These are not hard to do at all when you're max, so nice. Jesus. Like, my RNG here, I cannot complain. My RNG here has been ridiculous lately, but second Jar of Swamp in, like, 2100 or almost 2200 KC. This is just... Jagex, why? Just, why? Why did you give me 2 of these? I don't want it. I already got the only one I ever needed. It was already in my collection log even. I didn't need to get the drop again. Give me a Muta. I can't even complain about a Muta because I'm not a drop right yet, but just give me a Muta, please. I missed it because I was eating lunch, but Zora kill count 2200. Just overscales, Death and Snake Skin, nothing really much. I'm still pretty tilted after that second Jar Swamp. Like, just cut me a break, Jagex, please. Hey, 4 kills later after 2200, we get an Onyx, the least expensive valuable drop here, but I'll still take it. This is a nice, 2.2 mil? It's nice for the rebuild, getting closer and closer to Pegation boots. Jeez, Zora's just like pooping out the elites. Give me that that sub 100k elite. That's what I live to see, Zora. Thanks buddy. Alright, so just finished up this elite, and I had a hard clue sitting in my bank for like a long time, so I went ahead and did that one too. So let's open both of them at the same time. Okay, 56k. I mean, it's a hard. What do you expect? And the elite, thank you, 231k. I will take that. Yes, that is a trident you see in my inventory because I don't have a blowpipe, and that is the only way I can kill Armadale guards. Poggers, Magic Fang at KC2223. So 3.1 mil, again, it's pretty on par with like the rest of the unique drops here. It's just not the Onyx, which is the thing we want to avoid. So I will take the extra 3.1 mil. And I think with that, that's going to push us at just enough to get Pegasus, which is going to be a very nice upgrade from these Ceridome and D'hide boots. Alright, so I just finished off selling basically my entire loot tab that I had gotten from Zora, and we now have acquired the Pegasus boots, which is a very noticeable upgrade from D'hide boots, +5 range bonus, which is nice. And I mean, just in terms of like upgrading range attack bonus, that is a very nice range attack bonus to get on boots as well. So I can sell those off and get some money back, which I didn't think to do instead of selling my entire tab, but you know what? They never said I was a bright person in college, so there you go. Got those knocked off the list, and yeah, gear upgrade's looking pretty good at the moment. Okay, so I know this video took a very long time to put out, and to be honest, I didn't think the clips you just saw were enough to make a video, but, you know, turned out to be a little over 10 minutes, which I was surprised with. This video was actually supposed to be a video centered around my CC's PVM bingo event, and I have a lot of clips for that, and if I were to put those clips into this video, the video would be probably close to like 20-25 minutes. And that is just a lot for people to sit through, so I'm not going to make you sit through that. I'm just going to put out another video later on with PVM Bingo, and I'm going to take the outro of this video to kind of explain what PVM Bingo is. So on the screen, you're going to see the bingo sheet, and what this is we modeled this after Oblivion's PVM Bingo sheet. And basically what it is we are split up into teams of 5, and then you have to complete the tiles basically. So there's a tile that says get a Tanzanite Fang, Magic Fang, and a Serpentine Visage. As a team, you have to get those drops. And then once you get those drops, you complete that tile. And then what we're doing is if you get a row, you get an extra 15 points, and if you get like a diagonal, you get an extra 10 points. And so the goal is at the end of the 2 weeks, whoever has the most points will win. And there's a bunch of different strategies you can do. Everyone's developing their strategies. I don't want to give away too much about the contest because it was a really fun event, and I think everyone who participated besides Plep had a lot of fun with it. And we're definitely going to be doing it again in the CC because I think a lot of people had fun with it and create a lot of hype, create a lot of banter and stuff. So we enjoyed it a lot. Look forward to those videos because it was a lot of fun for us to do, and it was pretty close at the end. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Yeah, that's all I got for this video, guys. Thank you guys very much for watching this episode of Road to Oblivion. You should be expecting a video, like a video guide, question-based video coming out in a couple days. It's either going to be over how I maxed and like what I did to max, or it's going to be going over like an overall gear progression video. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet. Just really comes down to which script kind of comes easier to me when I go to write it. So that'll be it. Thank you guys very much for watching. Apologize for the delay in videos with the release of WoW Classic and with PVM Bingo. Like that was just 3 weeks of my life that kind of got sucked up by video games. Sorry, I'm a gamer, I know. But should be back to normal videos, 2 to 3 videos a week. Look forward to those, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good afternoon, evening, night, morning, afternoon, mid-morning, tea snack, whatever. Goodbye.